Hey guys, it's Madi Aguilar. Welcome back to part 2 of my labor and delivery story. If you did not get to see part 1, click the card now or check the description box so you can go ahead and watch part 1 of my labor and delivery story.
All right, y'all, I have no clue what I'm gonna get. Oh, there's waffles, French toast, plain pancakes or blueberries. If my 2-year-old saw this, that's all he'll be talking about is mandarin oranges. Orange? He's so funny. So yeah, as soon as my husband get here, he's gonna look over the menu as well, and then we're going to order food. But realistically, I'm not great at ordering breakfast because I don't typically eat breakfast. I'm more of a smoothie, acai bowl kind of person, or I just starve until lunchtime. So yeah. Hey, look at you. Look at you. A little body. A little body. Hi, Papa. Hi. You're making a little squeaks.
Massage it.
There you go.
There you go. Oh my goodness. So you just gotta give it a
Hard.
This is what he did with the diaper and everybody was looking at me like I had done something. I was like, I promise.
Oh my goodness.
I think he just had a dirty diaper. I know, it's too stimulating, isn't it? I know. I know. It's too much. It's too much.
Look at them little legs.
I know.
If you guys are enjoying my labor and delivery story so far, hit that like button and comment down below. He just had his first bath, as you guys can see that. Today has been kind of long and emotional, so I wasn't able to vlog too much, but I spent majority of my day in the NICU, and so I wanted to be respectful to the other babies and families and not record in there. My other son, who's in the NICU, is drinking his milk from a bottle when I first got there, and then I just held him and talked to him and looked at him in his eyes, and he looked at me, and then I cried and I smelled him and I looked at his toes and made sure everything is where it's supposed to be, because I didn't get to see any of that when he was first born, because I was on the OR table. And silly, but I'm exhausted. Like right now it's 3:32 and I'm ready to go to sleep because that's how tired and exhausted I am. My brother-in-laws came and they bought me these balloons and what is it? I don't know if you can see it. It's the orchid and a succulent, and I got some balloons. So that was really sweet of them because they know I like plants. I started feeling my uterus contract, so my nurse brought me my pain meds, and hopefully they kick in pretty soon. Definitely this pregnancy, this labor and delivery did not turn out how I expected, how I planned, how I wanted it to. So I'm a little sad saddened by it because this was supposed to be like my epic pregnancy, labor and delivery, and yeah, it didn't turn out like that. But I have to be grateful for what did happen, and my babies are safe, they're healthy, they're alive, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. And I'm still here to be able to take care of them. So regardless of what I wanted to do with social media and YouTube and celebrate my kids and this moment in my life, the real most important thing is we're all safe, we're all together, and I can raise my babies. It's about that time. I am so ready to go. I am so ready to go. I've been here 3 days, 2 nights, and I'm ready to go so I can feel comfortable and get some real rest. I'm only taking one of the twins with me, so it's a little bittersweet, but I'll be back tomorrow. They said hopefully, well, it seemed like a good 99% chance that I'll be picking up my second baby, twin B, tomorrow. Like after 12. So I'm just collecting all my things, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get my baby dressed. Discharge papers. Oh my God. You know, things don't go as planned, but take it with a grain of salt. It's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get baby dressed and finish collecting everything. Again, I love you guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I don't know where I'm going to go from here. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.